Welcome back to my channel. This afternoon I'm going to unbox this big box. I don't know what's inside, have a guess. So you Welcome back to my channel. This afternoon I'm going to unbox these big boxes. I don't know what's inside, I guess. Look at this, it's so big. I don't know what to do. So I think I need to cut all the here. Oh my god, it's hard. Welcome back to my channel. This afternoon I'm going to unbox this big box. I don't know what's inside, have a guess. So it's taller than me. I think it's 6 foot. I'm just excited. I just got this morning. And now I'm going to unbox. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. So I think I have to start at the top using my knife. I need to start from here. I'll do it quickly. Wow. This is it. Taller than me. It's so dark. Wow. Have a look. It's actually, this is a fridge. Oh. I don't know. Hello. Just funny, isn't it? Wow. And the next that I'm going to do is I think I have to cut this box and corner using my sharp knife. I'll just do it quickly. So there you go. See? This knife is quite amazing. It's too sharp. Oh. I'm just excited again. A beautiful day. So I think the next thing that I'm going to do is to remove all of this styro. This just cut to the side. Woo! It's something special with the plastic. It's a beautiful, nice and clean. Another pose. Oh. Yeah, protect. Yeah. Ooh, it's a beautiful one. It's a beautiful freezer. It's a 50%. 50 on here the top is a fridge and the bottom is a freezer. Wow, what's inside? Take this off. Take that one off as well. Put it in on my face. Ta-da! It's a freezer. 50-50. Yeah, and inside it's beautiful inside, nice and slim. And here in the bottom is a freezer. Get a portion of so in here in the bottom. That's so skinny like me. It's so beautiful. It's just amazing. Now I'm trying to move this fridge on that space on the side, just by there. It's very close. So this is lightweight. It's easy to push. I'll do it gently. Gently, gently, gently. Alright, like just like this. So, I think I need to plug in first. Plug the cable. Yeah, this one I just plug here. I don't know. Okay, I'm just here, hiding myself all the time. And I think it's almost close there. So just push it like this. I'm strong like a man. Okay, so close. Oh my God, I'm so strong. Thank you, Lord, for the strength. Ooh, so close. That's it. Look at it now. I think I'm becoming taller. Miss Universe, take this off. Take it safe. And before I'm going to use this freezer, I'm going to clean inside, okay? So I get this wipe. I'm gonna clean this fridge first before I'm gonna use it. Alright, love? I'll do it quickly. Quickly, away. La, la, la. Yeah, 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 yeah. La, 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 la. You don't know what it's like. You don't know what it's like to love somebody. To love somebody. You don't know what it's like. You don't know what it's like to love somebody. To love somebody. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody. To love somebody. Yeah. To run down with a cleaning. These are the detergent wipes killing all the viruses. To run down. So I'm going to check if it's working well. Oh, surprise! Taran! It's working, the light is on. And I can hear the sound. So quiet. So guys, this time I'm going to check if it's working. So we'll see now. Ta-da! It's working well. The light is on. And I can feel the coolness. Yes, that's it. It's just beautiful. So the brand of this fridge is Logik. So guys, what is Logik? What's the reason behind? The reason behind we bought this fridge freezer, because it's very affordable, cheap, and durable. In this world, nothing is permanent, so buy the cheapest one, but make sure it is durable. And the main thing, I bought this fridge freezer, it is a frost-free, so it's easy to clean. There's no need for me to defrost it manually. So before we can, this fridge freezer includes this ice cubes tray, the cutest ever ice cubes tray, and of course the ever cutest egg tray, so skinny. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel HaidyVlogs UK. Thank you so much. God bless.